Every week starts strong. Monday is full of focus, motivation, and momentum. But by Friday, something shifts. The pace slows. Messages take longer. Energy dips. It's not collapse, not burnout, just a steady fade that few leaders ever track. Backs. This is the rhythm of short-cycle fatigue. High energy at the start of the week gives way to midweek slowdown. Replies take longer. Collaboration feels muted. Asynchronous contributions dry up. And the steady slope downward leaves Friday quieter than Monday ever imagined. Traditional reports show tasks completed, meetings attended, hours logged, but none of those reveal how energy changes inside a week. Deadlines slip, progress drags, morale dips, and because there's no visibility into the rhythm of work, the weekly slump feels inevitable, until results begin to suffer. But what if those patterns were visible? What if leaders could track engagement velocity, response times, and collaboration flow in real time, and see where the slope begins to bend? When leaders notice the midweek dip, they can respond before it becomes a drag. A quick check-in, a smart adjustment to workloads, a reset in rhythm that restores clarity and pace. Small interventions at the right time can prevent a Friday collapse and keep momentum steady all week. Energy isn't random, it's a rhythm. It rises and falls in cycles, and those cycles can be measured, understood, and managed. The difference between teams that fade and teams that finish strong isn't luck. It's leadership tuned to rhythm. Because when energy is visible, momentum becomes manageable. Energy doesn't disappear, it drifts. See the slope. Lead with clarity. Want more ways to keep momentum strong from Monday to Friday? Subscribe for insights, strategies, and stories that help leaders turn weekly slumps into steady performance.